Hello, myself Jobin Johnson, registration number URK19CS1034. So today I'm going to explain you the third experiment of TBMS lab. Okay, so our third experiment is to execute all queries of aggregate and built-in function and to get the desired output. Okay, so our first question was to make a deposit table. Okay, having a column account number, C name, B name, and amount and the date. And next was creating a branch table having P name and city as a column name, and customer table having a column names, C name and city. Okay. So as usual for borrow table, as okay. So our first question was to list the total loan amount taken by borrowers. So for that, the command would be select the function sum, then the loan amount from the table name. The table name is borrow amount, borrow 1034. Okay, and as usual for the second, we are just changing the table name. That's all. And for the third question is also this. Third question is to list the total loan amount taken from Andheri branch. For that, the command would be select then the sum loan amount from the table name, that is borrow 1034, where B name is like modulus Andheri, or you can use B name equals to quotes in quotes Andheri. So you will get the total sum of loan amount. Okay. So our fourth question was write a query to find the total deposit of customers having account date later than 1st Jan 1996. So for that, the command would be select some amount from deposit. The table name is deposit 1034, where A date, the column name is A date that is greater than 1 Jan 96. So you will get the sum amount. So our fifth question was find the average of the deposit of customers living in city Nagpur. For that, the command would be select average amount. Okay, average is a function as you can built-in function from table deposit 1034, where C name in select C name from customer, that is the table name, where city is in Nagpur. So you will get the average amount. And for sixth question was list the maximum deposit of customers living in Bombay. For that, the command would be select maximum amount from deposit 1034, where C name is select C name from customer, where first only the city name is changed as it was in the previous question. It was in Nagpur. Right now, it is in Bombay. So we get the maximum amount. So our seventh question was how many distinct branches cities are there in the branch table. So for that, the command would be select count distinct city from the table name. Okay. So our eighth question was select find the total number of customer cities. For that, the command would be select count city from customer 1034. That is the table name. So we'll get the total number of customer cities. So the ninth question was write a query to display the branch name and branch wise deposit. Okay. For that, you have to write the command select p name and the sum amount from deposit group by that is the branch name b name. A tenth question is give the branch wise deposit of the customer after account date is 1 Jan 96. For that, the command will be select b name amount from deposit 1034, where a date is greater than 1 Jan 96. And our 11th question was find the total number of borrowers in each branch. For that, the command would be select b name and the function count star for all from borrow 1034, that is table name, group by b name. So you will get the total number of borrowers in each branch. Now the 12th question was find the total count of the depositors branch wise. For that, the query would be means the command would be select b name count star from deposit group by b name from depositor. We are just okay, changing the tables. So our 13th question is write a query to find the maximum loan from branch Virar. So for that, the command would be select maximum loan amount from borrower, that is the table name, where B name is like modulus Virar. Or you can write where B name equals to Virar in quotes. Okay. So you get the maximum loan amount. So our 14th question was list the branches having sum of deposit more than 45,000. So the command would be select p name some amount from the table group by p name, that is the column name, having some amount greater than 45,000. So you will get the uh, branches having some of deposit more than 45,000. The 50th question was calculate the length of the string dbms from dual table. So for that the command is simple. Select length dbms from dual. So you will get the length of the dbms. So assisting question was display the names of the customer in uppercase. For that, the command would be select upper, then the customer name from customer table. 17th question was display the substring nil from Sunil from deposit table. So for that, the command would be select substring cname 33 from deposit 1034 where cname is Sunil. So we get the okay. So 18th question was previous prefix account number column with two zeros in deposit table. For that, the command is simple. Select cname concat. Concat is the function for adding the any values to the number before or after. Okay. For that, you use concat 0 0 and then the account number we have to change number from deposit table. The 19th question was to sort the deposit table based on account number. For that, the command will be select star from deposit, the table name, order by account number. And 20th question was find the total number of months since an account is opened by the customers. So the command would be select CNAME months between is the function. So between 5 August 2020 and our date from deposit 10, that's the table. So we get all the number of total number of months since the account is opened by the customers. So our last question was use round and trunk function to round off and truncate the value 15.6789 to decimal position after the decimal point using dual table. So further, the command would be select round 15.6789, comma 2. We want two place values after the okay two place values. So for that, we are using two right now, as you can see from here. So we will get the round values, and for trunk, you will use the trunk function as we are simply trunk function, then the values from here. You will get the answer. I hope you understood. Thank you.